Hello, friends. Welcome back to English with Heart.
Hi, everyone. We're so glad you're here.
Today, we're talking about something really important. How to start conversations anywhere.
Anywhere? Even with strangers?
Yes, at school, at work, in a cafe, on the bus, or at an event.
That sounds scary, but also exciting.
It's not scary at all. Starting conversations helps you practice English. It helps you make new friends, and it builds your confidence.
I really need that confidence.
Today, you'll learn easy phrases, real-life examples, and simple tricks to feel brave.
That's perfect.
So, friends, if you like what we're doing, please subscribe to our channel, click that like button, and share this video with someone who's learning English.
Let's help each other grow.
All right, let's start.
I have to be honest with you.
What is it?
I really want to talk to people in English, but I just don't know how to start.
That's a very common problem. Many learners feel this way.
Really? I thought I was the only one.
Not at all. Starting conversations can feel difficult at first.
Yes, I see people at the coffee shop, at the bus stop, everywhere, but I don't know what to say.
I understand, but here's the good news.
Tell me.
Starting a conversation isn't about being perfect. It's about being friendly and open.
Friendly and open. Okay, I can try that.
Exactly. You don't need fancy words or perfect grammar.
But I'm still worried. What if people don't answer me?
Great question. Let's talk about common fears first.
Yes, please, because I have many fears.
Fear number 1. What if people don't answer?
Yes, that's my biggest fear.
Sometimes people are busy. Sometimes they're shy too. It's not about you.
Oh, I never thought about that.
If someone doesn't answer, just smile and move on. No problem.
That makes sense.
Fear number 2. What if I say something wrong?
Yes, what if my English is bad?
Most people are kind. They won't judge you. They will appreciate that you are trying.
Really?
Yes, and mistakes help us learn.
Okay, I feel a bit better now.
Let's learn how to start conversations in different places.
Yes, I need real examples.
Let's start with a cafe. You're waiting for coffee.
Okay, I'm imagining it.
You can say something like, "This coffee smells great."
That's it? Just that?
Yes, easy and friendly. Let's practice.
Okay.
I love the smell of fresh coffee.
Me too. This coffee smells great.
It really does. Do you come here often?
Sometimes. They make really good lattes here.
Oh, nice. I'll have to try one.
You should. They're delicious.
See? That was natural.
Wow. Easier than I thought.
Now let's try work or school.
Okay. What do I say there?
You can ask, "How's your day going?" Or, "Are you working on anything interesting?"
Those are simple.
Let's practice. I'm your coworker.
All right. Hey, how's your day going?
Pretty busy. I have a meeting soon. How about you?
Not too bad. Just finishing some emails.
Emails never end.
I know, right? There are always more.
Doing anything fun this weekend?
Maybe going to the park if the weather's nice. You?
Probably relaxing at home.
That sounds nice.
Perfect. Very natural. Now, the bus stop. It's cold outside.
A classic place.
You can say something like, "It's a bit cold today, isn't it?"
Weather is always safe.
Let's practice.
It's a bit cold today, isn't it?
Oh, yes. I should have worn a warmer jacket.
Me too. I wasn't expecting this wind.
The weather is so unpredictable lately.
Are you waiting for the number 12 bus?
Yes, it should be here soon.
I hope it comes soon. I'm freezing.
Me too. Excellent. Very natural.
Thank you. I'm more confident.
Now an event, like a workshop or a conference.
Okay. That was a great presentation, wasn't it?
Yes, the speaker had such good energy.
The examples were really helpful.
Definitely. Are you here for work or personal interest?
Personal interest. I love learning new things. How about you?
My company sent me, but I'm enjoying it.
That's great.
Perfect. You did great.
Thank you. I'm excited to try this in real life now.
Now, some simple tips to remember.
Yes, please.
Tip 1. Always smile.
Smile. Got it.
Tip 2. Ask easy questions.
Keep it simple.
Tip 3. Listen. Really listen.
That's important.
Tip 4. Keep the conversation light.
No heavy topics first.
Tip 5. Don't worry about being perfect.
Be myself. I like that.
The more you try, the easier it becomes.
So I should practice every day.
Yes, anywhere.
I can do that.
I know you can. And friends, you can too.
Yes, we're all learning together.
Let's review what we learned today.
Yes, the important points.
You can start a conversation anywhere.
Anywhere we meet people.
Use simple words and friendly questions.
Simple is better.
Don't wait for perfect grammar.
Mistakes are okay.
Practice every day.
The more I practice, the better I get.
So what's the main message?
Don't be afraid to start. Be friendly, be yourself, and just say hello.
And remember,
What should we remember?
a small hello can start a big connection.
I love that.
Thank you so much for watching today.
We really appreciate you being here.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe. Hit that like button. Share this video with your friends.
Help us build this amazing community.
Keep talking, keep learning, and remember,
Confidence starts with hello.
see you next time.
Goodbye. Keep practicing.